What's up YouTube, this is Tubedigga. So MPC 2.3 now gives us upgraded graphic displays for the internal Akai insert effects, which is really great, and I'll tell you why I think it's really great is that it definitely influences the way, at least for me, how I use these effects and the amounts of things that I apply. I know it might sound strange, but having the sliders that we previously had in the internal Akai effects, it never really gave me enough visual feedback to really fully exploit the effects. And I think having a graphic display like this really does definitely positively influence the way these effects are used. Let's go back and look at the compressor. So something like a compressor particularly, its controls are very interactive. That's to say that the threshold and the ratio are very sort of dependent on one another as to how your compressed sound comes out, as are the attack and release controls. And I just found having those sliders previously, it took me a long time to get to know the behavior of the compressor, but having it emulate something like a real hardware device with these knobs, I really do think it does have a positive influence on the way you use them and the amount that is applied. So let's just take a look at one last effect before I finish the video. Let's have a look at the 4-band EQ. So yeah, they've all been given different colours. So yeah, have a play about with that, guys. I urge you to experiment and see if it actually influences the way that you use the effects, and it'd be good to let me know. So put some comments down below if you find that this actually has improved your processes and the way that you use these effects, because it definitely has with me. There's definitely more to this upgrade than just a cosmetic one for the graphics. We can now save and load presets both in standalone and controller mode. So you can see that we've now got a folder icon and a disk icon here. So the folder icon is to load presets. Let's first save this one. So let's say we've made some changes to this 4-band EQ. We like how it's set up. We can press the disk icon, go to MPC documents. You can see you've got a folder here now called plugin presets. Double tap that, insert effects and instruments. If we double tap insert effects, it automatically creates a folder for the corresponding plugin. If we double tap that, we can now name this preset. So EQ example, and save. So let's say now we've made changes to this, but we wanted to reload that back in, or any other one that we'd saved. Now I've noticed there's a bit of an odd behavior. If you tap on this .xpl, which is an effects plugin preset, you don't get the load icon up. I found that you have to double tap that and then it comes up, and then you have to press load. But as you can see, really excellent, powerful feature. We can now save and load internal Akai effects plugin presets. Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for more MPC 2.3 tutorials, overviews and other content. I'll see you on the next one. This is Tubedigga and I'm out.